spot a red flag?
Yeah, first of all guys, thank you so much for showing up. Sobrang na-miss namin kayo lahat. Grabe po yung energy ninyo, lahat ng support na binigay niyo sa amin. We really feel the support and we genuinely are very happy that you guys enjoy the show and you guys have been sharing your experiences. Congratulations, magna cum laude. Kanina pa siya nagtataas eh. Tsaka salamat po, View Philippines. Maraming salamat for this opportunity. We really enjoyed working with you and to still work with you. And of course, Dreamscape. First time ko po na magkaroon ng bagong family ng Dreamscape family and I'm very happy that we got to work with you guys. Thank you. And of course, to this whole cast, guys, thank you for making it such a joy to portray Matt. And we still have 2 more lockets or 3 more lockets to go. And excited about to spend that with you guys. And of course, to you, Bella. Thank you. At syempre, ang dami na natin ginagawang projects, but every project is different. And I'm very happy that we get to do this. Oh, ikaw naman.
Grabe, what a fun experience. Thank you so much to everyone, to our press and media for being here. And kayong lahat, maraming salamat po. Sobrang na-enjoy ko, grabe. Sobrang dami nangyari sa press ko na to. Pero it was such a fun experience. Ayun nga po. Let's all smile! Smile! Oh guys, smile daw, smile! Kasama kayo dyan. Smile!
Grabe yung bond talaga ng cast, no? Kitang-kita natin hanggang dito. Belle, you were saying?
Yes! Going back po. Sorry. Going back po. Commercial break naman. Going back po, thank you so much po sa suporta nyo. Sa lahat po ng nanonood ng episode 1, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for the love. Kitang-kita po namin lahat ng efforts nyo. Yung plane na may how to spot the red flag, yung mural, the cruise, yung sa bridge. Thank you so much. Ramdam po namin. We love you too. Ramdam po namin yung pagmamahal ninyo. So yun nga po, panoorin niyo po ang How to Spot a Red Flag now streaming.
Thank you very much, Donnie, Belle,